Hey everyone, I just opened my hair dryer to see if it'll work. Apparently there's some other stuff to go along with it, and I probably wish I wouldn't have hurried up and bought this son of a gun. I just gonna need someone's advice because it has like 3 different buttons on it and like 2 other buttons on a on a plug. Which I won't figure it out later, but I want to show you real quick. Sorry, my room's a little bit messy, but I want to show you my drill. This baby here, it works. And I'm sorry my dresser's a mess. I'm sorry if my room's a mess, but I want to give you a heads up, and I'm sorry if I'm not showing my face that well. I had to go to the eye doctor today to get my eyes dilated, and a while ago when I made a video showing my face, I had to take it down because my eyes were kind of like dilated still. And if I go out in sunlight, like I can see like in regular light, but if I go out there in the sunlight, it just gets to my face and messes with my vision. But yeah.